how to pay a bill on Virgin Money. So if you want to basically pay a certain bill on Virgin Money, it's very simple. First of all, launch the Virgin Money app and make sure to log into your account. Then from there you'll find this option that is payment that you can find from the bottom left, and after you've done that you will see this option. From the very top, tap on the make a payment option, and after that simply select pay someone new option here. It will ask you to choose a pay a person or business. If you're trying to pay the bill to a certain business, tap on pay a business. Search for the business by entering the sort code or account number, or you can enter the details manually and you can see the business name and tap on continue. So after you choose the company that you'd like to pay, simply select whether it's a gas company, electricity company, or a service company, whatever else it is. You'll be able to confirm the transaction and so on. So tap on continue here and enter the amount, reference, payment reason, when, and repeat this payment if you want to. Then tap the next option and then you'll be able to go ahead and then pay them on Virgin Money. This way you'll be able to pay bills on Virgin Money. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.